Hello friends, welcome to SAS Food Blogs. Today we are going to see how to make Boondi Raita. Learn how to make Boondi Raita, a quick and refreshing Indian yogurt based side dish that perfectly complements biryani, pulao, paratha, or any spicy meal. This simple recipe combines crunchy boondi with creamy curd, seasoned with spices to create a cooling and delicious accompaniment. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Ingredients for making Boondi Raita: curd, hot water, boondi, chaat masala, sugar, Kashmiri red chili powder, cumin powder, black salt, coriander leaves, mint leaves, oil, jeera and ink. Preparation method: take a bowl and add 1 cup of curd and keep it aside. To a bowl, add half cup of hot water and then add half cup of boondi. And after few minutes, drain the excess water and move the soaked boondi to a bowl. Then add half cup of curd and add 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala. Then add 1 teaspoon of sugar and add half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Then add half teaspoon of cumin powder and add 1/4 teaspoon of black salt. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and add finely chopped coriander leaves and mint leaves and mix it well. Move the Boondi Raita to a serving bowl. Take a pan and add oil and heat it and add 1/4 teaspoon of jeera and add 1/4 teaspoon of ing. Once it has been tempering, move the tempering to the same serving bowl. Boondi Raita is ready to serve. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Hit the bell icon to never miss an update.